Hey everyone, this is Michaela, independent Norwex consultant. I wanted to show you a few demonstrations that I usually do at parties that people love to see. You know a lot about the Norwex cloths by this point, so I'm just going to show you the demonstrations. The first one I'm going to show you is the butter demonstration. I have some lovely butter here, which I'm going to smear on my windows. And I don't know what kind of glass cleaner you use. I'm just going to be using a name brand glass cleaner today. And I'm going to spray the glass cleaner on one side. And I'm going to clean it like you traditionally would with just using a paper towel. This is what I always used to clean with before I found out about Norwex. It tends to smear the window and you have to go over it again and again, continuing to spray. Note the amount of time it's taking me to clean one of these window panes. Okay, and I'm trying to do a thorough job, although it's difficult. So that's a traditional glass cleaner. Okay, at this point I'd have to get another paper towel because it's not doing a good job. Or you can have Norwex. I have here our traditional Enviro cloth. It's damp. I simply wet the glass and then I take our window cloth, which leaves it streak-free, polishes and shines. Done. Your windows have never looked cleaner. You can't see out of them with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this one up because it looks so terrible. It makes it so easy to clean windows. And I literally just go through my house and I just wet them and dry them. This is how easy I clean my windows now. So that's your Enviro cloth and window cloth. I'm now going to show you the next demonstration, which is with our kitchen cloth. And with the kitchen cloth, it's exactly like the Enviro cloth, but it has these ridges. You can kind of see through them. It allows it to dry quicker. It still has the silver in the cloth. I spread some breadcrumbs out here on the table, and this makes it so easy to pick up the crumbs with the ridges. It really grabs all the crumbs on your table. So these are perfect to have for your dining room table or for your kitchen, is the kitchen cloth. Another great cloth is our dishcloth. Now this is actually this is a half of the full cloth. I cut mine down because they're really, really big, and I have this cloth wet, and this is flour, which is awful to clean up with paper towels, but with these dishcloths, it really just grabs all the little particles, and it makes it so easy to clean with. This one's extra wet, but it's really great for any crumbs or messes. Moving over here, we have our cleaning paste. The cleaning paste is basically elbow grease in a jar. And I'm just going to be using our Enviro cloth again. It's damp, and you can use the cleaning paste quite sparingly. I'm just gonna put some on my cloth here. I have a tile that I wrote permanent marker on like a week ago, it seems like. And literally you can just scrub the tile and it comes off. This is permanent marker, mind you. I have it on our laminate wood. If a child decides to write on the laminate wood, the permanent marker will come off of wood. And then my personal favorite is silver. I have such a hard time cleaning these. It seems like you have to polish them forever. Here's one that's half done. You can see half of it here, but it is so easy. I just wanted you to see this. This is my favorite demonstration to show people because cleaning silver is such a pain. And literally, it comes right off. It's so, so simple. It makes me just want to clean all my silver because it's literally just like wiping it down and it comes off. So if you have any silver pieces, that's great too. The last thing I was going to show you in general is our dusting mitt and Enviro wand. These are great for cleaning around your house. I really encourage you to get the dusting mitt because it conforms to your hand. It allows you to clean little tiny spaces and allows you to grab onto things that if I had a traditional big square cloth, it'd be really hard to do. So cleaning objects like this funky chandelier is quite simple, and it comes right off into the cloth, into the dusting mitt. If you have the rubber brush, if this is full of dust, I literally just brush it off into the trash can. This can also be used for the Enviro wand. This is great. I'm just gonna have you move over here. It's great for shelves if you cannot reach. I happen to be pretty tall. If you can't reach the shelf, this is convertible with our mop handle. Here's our mop handle. This Enviro-Wand is super flexible. I can flex it the other direction. You can hit air vents. I'm going to show you up here. Since I can't reach that with my hand, you can dust anything in your house. You can dust fans, high shelves, windows, doorways, anything with this handy dandy Enviro-Wand. So there's a few demos. I hope you enjoyed them. Let me know if you have any questions.